Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. In this video, we will get to learn how we can use Unpod pilots for blog writing. So let's get started. First, click on this Ask button and give a topic to the pilot, which kind of blog you want to uh, write. So let me write the topic here. So our topic is the role of AI agents in autonomous vehicles. Click on this arrow button. Within few seconds, Unpod Pilot will write a blog for us on the given topic. So you can use Unpod pilots for blog writing, for script writing, for any task. As we can see, Unpod pilot has started writing a blog on the given topic. So it's completed. Now, if we want to publish this blog on Unpod so that you can grab Unpod's audience, so for that you just need to copy this blog. And okay, after copied, you just need to click on the spaces, and click on the right button and paste your blog here. So give a title. So our title will be same. The role of AI agents in autonomous vehicles. So this is our title. And now if you want to make any changes, you can easily do the same. Okay. After making changes, you just need to click on this save draft and then publish. Now our blog is published on Unpod. So let's check. Now we can now we can see. So our blog is live. So now anyone can read your blog on Unpod. Anyone can uh, ask you regarding this blog. So this is how easy you can write blogs. You can do script writing. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching.